Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth and I am back at it again, bringing you inside of our amazing, ever-growing DGC digital growth community. Now, this amazing community is growing literally at an unprecedented rate. As you can see, we hit another milestone today, 24,000 members worldwide. This is how many members seen the vision, responded to it, and said, yes, I want to be part of something special and I want to help make history in this incredible digital marketing world and space. Okay, so if you are questioning, does this actually work? Does the Legacy Builder program actually work? Well, I'm going to continue to share with you more wins, okay, of people who decided to take action, took a leap of faith, dissolved their fears, jumped in, all in, and are truly winning. And yes, you can become a winner too, because we literally have everything that you could ever want and need to be able to have success online. Now, a key benefit to having success is fully comprehending, understanding, and knowing your why. I'm going to share with you a portion of a video snippet that our millionaire mentor Michelle provides for us on a daily basis, these action videos. I have found them personally to be extremely beneficial, very insightful, and they really make a world of difference in my daily action plan before I even begin my workflow, okay? So we receive these every single morning, and I just think they are absolutely amazing, okay? They're one of the many benefits that we receive as a Legacy Builder member and within our digital growth community, okay? So without further ado, just allow me to play this for you because this is really paramount in your success, especially long-term success, okay? You have to have a solid why. You need to really comprehend and understand why you are doing this and reiterate and reinforce that why to your personal self each and every single morning so that you are able to sustain, that you can keep focus and you can keep going. And it helps you to become resilient so that you can have success not only in the now, in the short term, but in the long term. Okay, so this is really, really vital. I want to share this with you because I want to give you perspective. I want to give you insight, and I want you to be able to do a deep dive into your why so that you can ensure the best results and much continued success when you decide to become part of the Legacy Builder program. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and click on this. And we're going to go ahead and play this, and then I'll be right back with you to share more success stories, okay? So here we go.
Welcome to day 78 of our 90-day legacy run. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of knowing your why. First of all, clarity and focus. Knowing your why helps you set clear and meaningful goals and stay focused on what truly matters. Your why is what will help you want to wake up and show up and take action. Motivation and drive. A strong why keeps you motivated, especially during tough times, and it prevents the burnout because you're looking more than just what's going on today, what's going on tomorrow. You're looking far ahead because your why is not just something that you're doing today or tomorrow. It's your long-term goals, right? It's all about leaving that legacy. Decision making. Your why acts as a guiding principle, making it easier to make decisions that align with your values and long-term objectives. So this is something I really love because it gives you that direction. So for example, man, my content just isn't working, or maybe you get banned on TikTok. It don't matter. You're like, that was just one little hiccup in my journey, because your why is stronger than any obstacle you're going to deal with. Now, one of the most important parts about knowing your why is it becomes a very inspiration and influence to other people. See, sharing your why can inspire and attract like-minded individuals that become your customer. So make sure when you're creating content on social media, you're sharing your why. Again, people do business with people they know, like, and trust. So not only...
Okay, so I just wanted to share with you a small snippet of this daily action video from yesterday, okay? Hopefully by listening to just a few short minutes of this, you can fully resonate with why having and knowing and understanding that why is so vitally important, okay? Because it's going to be your driving force, and it's going to keep you going every single day, folks. It's going to allow you to become better and better every single day without the risk of giving up, okay? So you want to be here today, you want to be here tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. You really need to begin with fully comprehending your why and setting realistic expectations and goals, okay? The two really kind of coincide with each other in the best possible light. So this is something that I just want to give you perspective into to really be able to help you. And these are the type of videos that we are provided with every single morning, folks. And this is why there is so much success in this amazing community, okay? Not only are the digital products current, they're very impactful, and they are going to give you the skills that you need to be able to finally have success online. Some very, very important skills, from personal branding to identifying your perfect customer, creating content around your perfect customer, and also building your email list, amongst a few of the many things that you're going to learn inside of these amazing digital products, folks. And this is a very interactive program. This is what is separating us from other opportunities, making us truly unique, and we're experiencing just phenomenal explosive growth as a direct result of this and the extension within the digital growth community. It's this community that is creating so many success stories, okay, all week long, folks. Okay, so allow me now to take you inside of the community, back in there, and share with you more continued wins, okay? Not to mention we have this classroom right here, which is an extension of the learning phase of this opportunity, because this is your ideal earn while you learn environment and business model. You don't have to have any previous experience to succeed here. You don't have to have a following to succeed here. You don't have to have an email list to succeed here, because we're going to show you how to do all of this and build from the ground floor up, from scratch, okay? So if you have no social media following, do not worry. If you have no email list, do not worry, okay? We're going to take you literally step by step and show you how to do exactly everything you need to finally be successful in this wonderful digital marketing online space. Okay, so let's go back into the community real quick, and let me click on wins, and let me just show you the success that is being created every single day from people who are showing up because they fully understood their why, and their why is the reason that they are here, and they are plugging in. They're plugging into the training, they're plugging into the community, they're plugging into the classroom, they're plugging into the digital growth community, and they're plugging into our live interactive trainings throughout the week. Okay, they're giving it their all. They're treating their business like a real business, and they are being rewarded greatly for their persistence, commitment, and consistency. Because consistency is key, and it's vital to being successful in any online venture, okay? So look at this, folks, $900 ding while doing my live, $19,100 in my first 3 weeks. See, folks, the potential is great. The potential is great. Now, income disclaimer, always have to get this out there in all of my content. I can't come in and make claims, guarantees, or promises, or set unrealistic expectations of income and potential earnings, because it will vary from individual to individual based on what you elect to do with this opportunity and your work ethic. Okay, so just wanted to get that out there. Let's show you this, folks. 3,600 in 24 hours. Do not lose focus. June is busy. Look at this. What one member has already been able to receive so far in a relatively short amount of time. 22,500 in 66 days. This business has been a blessing. I've been able to pay off 2 debts, plus been able to use the money towards everyday items like gas and groceries. So this is so practical, folks. This is helping people to claw their way out of debt, credit card debt, high interest credit card debt, medical debt. They're able to use it to offset their expenses and lighten the burden of the high economic prices for gas, for groceries, for housing, for utilities, and the related. Okay? So coming down here, look at this, more leads. We're celebrating everything from traffic and lead generation to sales and everything in between, folks, inside of this amazing community. My first $100 sale. Look at this. I'm so excited to share with y'all. Made my first sale of $100. I believe the YouTube video I posted yesterday got this one. So see how quickly things can happen because these people are showing up every single day. They're following the blueprint. They're not trying to reinvent the wheel, and they're creating their content and they're getting it out there for the masses to see and respond to. Okay? First $900 ding. I've been doing this for 2.5 months. Stay consistent. Stay positive. Pray and believe what God has given you. Believe that He wants to work something in you and through you in the process. Trust Him. How inspirational, folks. Okay? It's just absolutely amazing. $2,600 in the last 3 days. OMG, made my first sale. Even before I had a chance to post a video, I made my first $900 of passive income. Look at this, folks. Absolutely amazing. 50K just short of 3 months in. Look at this. This is what's possible, folks. This is what's possible for those who understand their why and believe and commit to the process, show up daily, follow the training, and remain dedicated, devoted, persistent, and consistent. Okay? $900 ding while homeschooling. Another $900 ding. This time got to share this program with my granddaughter. What a blessing to be doing this with her. We'll definitely be cheering her on. $10,100 in June to date. $900 while weeding the yard. Okay? $30,300. Tonight I hit my crazy scary goal for June. It was $30,000 and now $300 over that. Thought it was insane crazy to put that number down on June 1st, but I'd rather dream big than dream little. Folks, you've got to think big. You've got to, think big, folks. You've got to become an overachiever if you want great things to happen for you, folks. And always remember, set realistic expectations. It's important to have goals, and it's vitally important to have that why, because that's going to be your driving force every single day of the week to get you moving and grooving into the best results possible at the end of every single day, folks. So I think you get the gist of this, folks. We are here to celebrate everybody, irregardless of how small or significant those wins are, folks. And you can join the winner circle too. You just got to get started, folks. You've got to take action because nothing will happen until you first and foremost decide to get in. Stop watching us from the sidelines. It's not a matter of does this program work? If this program works, folks, as you can see in all my videos, I try to share more wins to inspire people, to show them, to give them faith, hope, and confidence that we have something here that absolutely works. It has been tested. It has been proven. It is working for those who work it. Those who show up and put their best foot forward, folks, and begin every day on the right path and put in the time, put in the dedication, are winning, folks. And you can be next. All right, look at this. Got to 500 followers, woke up to another $900. Is this a dream? A month in and it's starting to happen and I'm just in awe. What a blessing. And as you can see, folks, it's not taking people weeks. It's not taking people months. Those who are truly serious and who are showing up and doing what they need to do are getting great results, okay, in record time. So I'm just sharing with you what is possible, okay? Can't make guarantees, but I'm sharing with you what is possible, okay? Look at this. Winning. Look at this. Successful emails. Today's win. More wins. I mean, this is just absolutely amazing, folks. Look at this. More leads are coming in. I'm back up and running. Look at this. So I just wanted to share with you more continued results, wins, to just inspire you, to let you know that if you are tired of struggling, if you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're tired of being in debt, going into debt, worried, not able to sleep because you don't know how you're going to pay your bills, folks, this is an opportunity that can help you. It can impact your life in a super positive way, and it can change it. It can absolutely change it. You see all the changes that we are evoking with this amazing opportunity, and you can be next. So what I want you to do, go down to the description. I always put the link to my website on the very first line in every single video, along with my contact information directly below that. That's my personal cell. I always welcome all serious inquiries. So if you have any questions, I've been doing digital marketing a long time. I've helped a lot of people over the years, folks. I can absolutely, positively help you too. As a matter of fact, YouTube has become my best friend. I've generated probably some of the best, highest quality leads off of YouTube that have resulted into thousands of dollars for me over the years, okay? I also make really good utilization out of TikTok by following our incredible TikTok training, our multifaceted TikTok training, and you can also find me on Facebook as well. Those are my 3 platforms that I am building the Legacy Builder program on, and will continue to do so in the days, weeks, and months ahead. So you can find me on TikTok, on YouTube. My YouTube channel is Retire with Marybeth, and you can find me on Facebook, and I will even drop those links below in the description. So you can go ahead and check me out, folks, and see what this is all about and what I'm all about, and I'm here to help you any way I can. Go to my website, give me a good valid email address, come on in and discover how this very opportunity and blueprint can help you in so many ways, folks, as soon as you get started. Text or call me, any questions, and check out my social media. Get to know me better. Thank you so much. Make it a great day, and we will talk soon. Bye-bye.